Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather? Hardest choices ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather always have a full phone battery or a full gas tank? Would you rather find a rat in your kitchen or a roach in your bed? Would you rather walk to work in heels or drive to work in reverse? Would you rather spend a year at war or a year in prison? Would you rather have a pause or a rewind button in your life? Would you rather oversleep every day for a week or not get any sleep at all for 4 days? Would you rather drink from a toilet or pee in a litter box? Would you rather lose all your teeth or lose a day of your life every time you kiss someone? Would you rather walk in on your parents or have them walk in on you? Would you rather be gassy on a first date or on your wedding night? Would you rather have unlimited battery life on all of your devices or have free Wi-Fi wherever you go? Would you rather have Billie Eilish's future or Madonna's legacy? Would you rather win $25,000 or have your best friend win $100,000? Would you rather live in a treehouse or in a cave? Would you rather have a third nipple or an extra toe? Would you rather have to wear every shirt inside out or every pair of pants backward? Would you rather be in the history books for something terrible or be forgotten completely after you die? Would you rather solve world hunger or global warming? Would you rather be forced to live the same day for a full year or take 3 years off at the end of your life? Would you rather travel the world for free for a year or have $50,000 to spend however you please? Would you rather get a paper cut every time you turn a page or bite your tongue every time you eat? Would you rather never eat watermelon ever again or be forced to eat watermelon with every meal? Would you rather get trapped in the middle of a food fight or a water balloon fight? Would you rather die in 20 years with no regrets or live to 100 with a lot of regrets? Would you rather have a child every year for 20 years or never have any children at all? Would you rather die before or after your partner? Would you rather be able to take back anything you say or hear in any conversation that is about you? Would you rather Danny DeVito or Danny Trejo play you in a movie? Would you rather hunt and butcher your own meat or never eat meat again? Would you rather have skin that changes color on your emotions or tattoos appear all over your body? Would you rather have people spread a terrible lie about you or have people spread terrible but true tales about you? Would you rather lose all of your friends but keep your best friend, or lose your best friend but keep the rest of your buds? Would you rather be the absolute best at something that no one takes seriously, or be average at something well respected? Would you rather be beautiful and stupid or unattractive but a genius? Would you rather buy all used underwear or all used toothbrushes? Would you rather detect every lie you hear or get away with every lie you tell? Leave your answers in the comments and let us know how many you got right. See you in the next video.